Para pa 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 pa. Asa mo nga, kung namamansin ba yun ng comments? Friend mo ba yun? Friend mo yun, ano, Crispy? Hindi yan mabasa, flooding yung message. Oo nga. Grabe, pinabaha yung comments niya. Paano maging ganito? Pinabaha yung comments niya. Grabe. Ilang oras na ba ito naka-live? Grabe, ano pa? 322 videos pa. Nakita ko lang now.
I need your super speed and super fast ride to catch up to that kitty and get back Mr. Porter's tuna using your energy.
Ba't di niya pinapakita yung buong katawan niya? Mag-drop kaya ako ng ano doon, ng link. Masakit na putoy nun. Kaya nga, parang ginagawa niya. May kasama ba talaga siya dito? Taga Mindanao ko, John Ray. Nakahaikuan? Meron kaya ang ano dito? May kasama kaya siya dito, Crispy?
Hold on, Captain Turbot. I'll bump you back in the water.
Baka may tagayug-yug. Ano? Baka ano lang to, baka drama-drama lang ba? Baka dalawa sila, tapos hindi yug-yug-yug lang siya, ganun. Where's your glass? Where's the glass?
Head to the crossroads and stop that super kitty. On it. Put those cows down on the ground. Then I'll just put my mighty paws.
Nanonood pa rin ako sa kanya. Gamit yung isang account ko. Nanonood ako. Baka may taga-review. Baka nga, may kasama siguro ito. May kausap man siya. Hindi ko pa may kausap man siya.
Great job, mighty pups.
It's time for Paw Patrol Trivia. How well do you know the pups and the world of Adventure Bay? Let's find out. What object gave Paw Patrol superpowers? A stinky sock, a shiny cup,
Dito ko pala sa sa live ni Mami Jen, Crispy.
I wonder what it could be. It's a meteor. The Lady Meteor gave Paw Patrol their superpowers.
Hanapin din viewers. Ma'am, pwede ko ni mo.
Paw Patrol, ready for action, Riders.
Gusto ka i-block, teka?
Tracker went to check out a sound in the jungle, and then he vanished. We have to track Tracker? That's right. So for this mission, I'll need Chase. Chase is on the chase. And Sky. This puppy's gonna fly. All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll. This is a good place to start the drone search.
May mga bastos. Kahit na ganito lang ako nakikipag-chikahan ko, may mga bastos din na gusto.
Maybe he's seen Tracker. Sky.
Ano pa kaya pag nagganito?
Helicopter. Wait, Ryder, I found them.
Mami, hello! Rio, Audrey, hello!
Your drone's getting close to look.
What happened? Oops, my baby! You wake up in the town. Oops, we broke up. Are you full? Are you full? Are you full? I love you. Bobby ni Mami. I love you. I love you. I love you. Korea anak berat Mami. Yes!
Bring over some boards that Carlos was using for the treehouse. Don't lose it, reuse it. Done.
Oops, we broke up. No, go there.
Whenever you're in trouble,
Sorry, ma'am.
for help.
Huwag kang ganyan dito, John Ray. Kung gusto mo, i-block kita.
Paw Patroller has 8 wheels.
Di ako nagbabastos dito.
Wheels.